Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Peter Porker as Spider-Ham from the movie Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. If you guys love this movie as much as I did, please make sure to also check out my Spider-Woman drawing. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your paper, and let's get started on drawing this cute little pig. To draw this cute little spider pig, we're going to first start by drawing his nose. So right here I'm going to start by drawing a circle or an oval. There. So then let's come in here and we're going to divide it right in the middle with a thin line. So this is kind of like his web right there. We're just going to add a thin line so it's easier for us to figure out where to put his nostrils right here. So I'm going to come to the center right here and draw an angle line up, and same thing over here. So we're basically drawing the spider eyes. So right here we're going to connect it with a deep curve and then go back up. So same thing here. There. So now we have his nostrils in. Let's draw his eyes. We're going to come to the top right here. And so everything, just use this line as your guide for the center. So we're going to come right here and draw two angle lines right in the center. Make my line a little bit straighter. Okay, so there. Now from this curve right here, we're going to go up with the eyes. So about right here, I'm going to come about right here. I'll start right here. It's easier for me to come down and draw a curve. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So deep curve and back up. So same thing over here. So I'm just going to drag a point across. So approximately same height. So same thing, go up. And once again, bring down a deep curve all the way back. So then from there, let's go on the inside and we're just going to follow our outside line to give our eyes a little border. And same thing over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and shade this part in so you can see a little bit better since it's black anyways. Okay, so finally we have the eyes in. Now let's draw the head all around it. So we're going to come to about this area, about where the eye is, about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. So this is where I'm going to be drawing a big curve that comes all the way back. So I'm going to get really close to the eye right there at that point. And so same thing over here. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it to the center. It's about right here. So go all the way up. Nice tall head, and start to bring it down. There. And then from right here, at this point, we're going to draw some cheeks that come out. So right here, I'm going to start and just draw a curve on both sides. Just pop out some cheeks to make it extra cute. And then we're gonna bring a curve down right here close to the nose area. So get it close to the nose, and we're just gonna go ahead and connect it. There. Now we can go ahead and draw the ears. So we're gonna come up in this corner right here area and just draw a curve, comes up. And we're gonna round it off at the top, come down, and then bring it back and angle it in to finish it off. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna drag some points across, some approximate. Let's see here, make sure. And so from here, go up. And then come down. And come back up. And in. We got 2 ears in. So then now let's draw the body. So we're gonna come centering the shoulders right here. I'm gonna come about right here and just draw 2 curves for our shoulders. And then I'm gonna find his kind of like his armpit area. So about right here. And I'm gonna draw 2 angle lines. So now we have his body in. So then from there, let's bring this down a tiny bit of work on his body first. But right there, I'll go ahead and connect it with a curve. Make it nice and simple. And then let's come right here and we're just gonna angle a line down. He is a cartoon, right? So then in this area right here, we draw a little curve, give him a little belly, and then bring this angle down. So we're gonna start to draw his feet. Short little feet, and then right here, just pop in 2 angle lines. So let's work on his foot first since we're down here. Down a little bit more. So about right there, I'll stop. And then right here, I'm going to add a curve and come back and connect it. Just round it off a little bit. And we're going to draw another one right here. And round it off and just taper it in. So same thing over here. Curve, round it off, and connect. And another one back here. Round it off and tuck it back in. There, so then now let's come and draw his arms. So they're just on his hips. So we're gonna come in this area right here where his armpits are. Just draw a curve and we're gonna follow it. This bigger curve out here. And let's bring it in. And bring it in. And then right here, just add a curve for his hands. Nice and simple. And right here, just add a deeper curve. So same thing over here. Curve. So I'm just gonna give myself a point so I know where his hands are. So about right there, I'm gonna add a curve and connect it. So same thing here. And start to curve it in. And his hands, a deeper curve that comes right in there. Yay, so now let's go in and draw all the little details. So let's start right here. I'm gonna come about right here and add a little line right here, connect it. Same thing here. And connect it. And then right here, we're gonna follow our arm. So this is the blue part right here, and just tuck it in. Give his costume some color and tuck it in. And let's see here. Oh, and I forgot, there's a little line right here for his boot. And let's draw our spider. So right in the center right here, I'm going to come and using this as my guide, draw a little head for our spider. Then we're going to give him a bigger bottom. Just shade that in. And now to draw the legs. Make this a little bit more even. Okay, so we're going to draw, let's see here, 8 legs total, so 4 on this side. So we're going to start off with 1, all coming from this area right here. And 1 more. So same thing over here. There, so we have our legs in. I think I should have made this one longer, huh? I think so. Okay, it's my bad. Didn't look right. This one should be longer and this is shorter, so I'll go in there and erase that. And but before we're done, we're going to come in and draw all the webs. I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie. So with my thinner Sharpie, I'm going to come in here and start to build our web. So I'm going to start right here in the center first and draw a little angle right there, right in the center. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line down to connect it. And then we're going to radiate angle lines that come out all the way around the face. So let's start, say, right here. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Maybe, let's see here. I'm just going to put one right here, so it's a little bit simpler. And on the face, we're going to down here, right in the center once again. And we're going to cut it off right here where the cheeks are. And let's radiate some that come out this way. And let's see, one more here. There, so we have our maybe one more here. Our main lines in. Now let's go ahead and just draw curves that come and connect everything. So I'm going to start, say, right here. And then the top one right here. So now to draw the webbing on the snout area, it's the same concept. Everything's going to be radiating out from the center. So right here, I'm just going to draw an angle line close to the eye, I mean the nostril. And same thing right here. Just bring angle line down. And right here out. And then once again, we're just going to draw our curves all the way around. There. So I just added one line of curves because I didn't want to make the nose part too complicated because it's smaller. So now let's go to the body. We're going to come right here and draw a center line. Start with a straight center line. And then right here, just angle the lines a tiny bit. And then we're going to go ahead and connect it with curves, but the curves are going to go this way now. And go ahead and just run it through. Okay, so that's basically it for the body. So now the arms. We're going to come right here and we're just going to draw curves all the way around the arm. This way gives it some volume as well. Right here on the wrist. And then on the finger part right here, we're going to draw 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And then just add a line that goes through it. So right here, I'm going to use this line and bring it all the way up and just bring it in. So same thing over here. So about right here, we're just going to draw 3 curves. A curve right here, and then once again, same thing. Run one line through right here, and then this one is going to go up and just tuck it in. And then now the feet. So maybe right here, and then curves going this way. This also helps our feet to have some volume by drawing our curves. And let's run some webbing this way. There. And as I said, I made a mistake right here on the leg, so I'm going to make this one shorter to make that one longer, so that way it looks a little bit more correct. So there, hope you guys love my version of this cute little spider ham. Make sure to check out my other drawings from Spider-Man, and thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.